Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a look at the BESTTEN 10-pack single-pole decorator light switch with Wallplate. If you're in need of a reliable and stylish light switch for your home or office, this might just be the perfect option for you. This single-pole wall light switch is rated at 15A120/277V and comes with a Decor Wallplate included, featuring a sleek gloss finish. Not to mention, it's also all certified, so you can rest assured of its quality and safety. One of the things we love about this switch is its positive, smooth, and quiet on-off paddle action. It really gives you a feel of the quality that goes into every BESTTEN product. Plus, it offers both quick push-in and side wiring options, making installation a breeze. With terminal screws that accept up to 12 Arabin florins and quick push-in wiring that accepts 14 Arabin florins solid copper wire, you can count on full rated current capacity with lead, tungsten, fluorescent, or resistive loads. And of course, the motor capacity is 80% of the switch rating. But it's not just about functionality. The modern look of a decor switch can really enhance the style of any space where a switch is needed. It's the perfect blend of form and function. If you're in the market for a new light switch, we highly recommend checking out the BESTTEN 10-pack single-pole decorator light switch with Wallplate. Trust us, you won't be disappointed. Make sure to click the link in the description to get your hands on one today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.